Hello there, YouTube. I hope all y'all are having a blessed day. It is a beautiful day here on the mountain. We had snow overnight, but it has since warmed up and melted it all away. So I hope the weather is treating you well, and I hope that you are having a very, very blessed day. I am in the mood, as always, to do some abstract watercolor. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. Well, that was exciting. I just did a whole painting and the camera wasn't on. I am going to be doing some granulating watercolors, and I'm going to be doing some circles, and then I'm going to come back and do some mark making on top of them. These are not going to be fancy or anything, and I'm using a dark, dark, dark color for drama. All right, I am going to let these dry and then I will come back. All right, now we're going to make some mark making. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. I just felt like I wanted to do a study in gold and black. And this is not supposed to be a masterpiece. This is just a bit of intuitive art, and it's meant to relax you and to just let your brain turn off and just let the markers and the paint do whatever they want to do and enjoy the process. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a try. It's really easy and you don't need a lot of expensive things. You could use gel pens and you could use notebook paper if you need to. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you again real soon right here on 70 Acre Studio with our next little video real soon. I love you all very much. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are fair.